Welcome to our analysis of Hurricane Katrina. It impacted both the atmosphere and hydrosphere. Katrina began as a tropical depression near the Bahamas, fueled by warm Gulf waters, about 30 degrees Celsius, and its intensity rapidly go high with low wind and share high humidity created an ideal conditions for a cyclone. And as it moved toward to the Gulf Coast, it reached a category 5 of strength. That means that his speed was about like 280 kilometers per hour. And this wasn't just a weather event, it was a climate-driven disaster.
Researcher affected areas and hydrosphere impacted. Katrina made landfall in Louisiana and Mississippi, but did reach extended across the southern U.S. New Orleans was hit hardest. 80% of the city flooded when levels failed. A storm surge reached up to 8 meters. reached to 8 meters, pushing saltwater deep into freshwater systems. The disrupted wetlands system contaminate drinking water and cause long-term damage to aquatic ecosystems. Using satellite data and simulation tools like NASA's Earth observation system, we modified Katrina's path and water displacement, and the hydrosphere was reshaped, rivers routed, coastlines eroded, and marine life.
Katrina impact was multidimensional. Environmentally, it destroyed 560 square kilometers of coastal marshes, natural flood barriers, oil spills and chemical leaks, polluted soil and water. Socially, over 1 million people were displaced. Vulnerable communities, especially black and low income residents, were hit hardest. Mental health crisis surged economically. Damage exceed $125 billion. Infrastructure collapsed, schools, hospitals, and businesses were lost. Our digital simulation showed how flood waters spread across neighborhoods, highlights areas with the least protection. This wasn't just a storm, it was a systemic failure.
Mitigation strategies include stringent levees and flood walls using climate as releasing the materials, recording wetlands to absorb storm surge, implementing early warning systems with real-time data, or enforcing zoning laws to prevent construction in flood. Prevention policies must be rooted in science and equity. We studied FEMA's post-Katrina reforms and NOAA's hurricane tracking operates. Community-based planning in case, especially minorized or groups. Your simulation includes proposed resignation of New Orleans, flood infrastructure, showing to reduce impact on similar storm conditions.
Okay. Katrina was a wake-up call. Climate change is intensifying storms. We must act.
Our investigation shows what happens when we invest on our houses and when we don't.
The human cost is so high to ignore it. We need to save lives.
We invite you to interact to do an interactive map.
Todos.
All together.
Let's learn from the past, protect the present, and
prepare
prepare
for
for
the
the
future.
future. Katrina's impact was multidimensional. Environmentally, it destroyed 56. Reinícialo. Environmentally. Me salté.
So how? Do we prevent another Katrina? Mitigation
And another Katrina. Mitigation strategies include stringent levees, floodwaters. So how to prevent another? How do we prevent another Katrina?